Hello and welcome back, guys. In today's video I will be remaking this charcoal rake. The reason why I want to remake this charcoal rake is because it's very difficult to use. In addition to that, it is also extremely ugly. To illustrate my ideas, I will quickly be making a drawing. Across this length, the design will match the handle design of these tongs. At the end where you grab the tool, I will be making a loop and a pig's tail. And to reach the needed temperatures, I will be using my homemade forge. The workings of this forge consist of the blower, the charcoal pit, the air valve, the clinker breaker, and the ashtray. To effectively light the forge, you have to start with small shavings at the bottom, small sticks in the middle, and lastly, your coals. The forge has now been lit, and you can clearly see a huge difference when I switch on the valve. This fire is extremely hot. Now that the fire has been built and has reached sufficient temperature, it's time to insert the workpiece. Now that I have elongated the shaft, it's time to introduce the twisting. I have now completed the rough shape of this charcoal rake. It is pretty obvious that this here is still a bit too rough. Therefore, I will do some grinding and polishing. After a quick oxide removal, this is how it looks. It is still quite rough, but I'm still very satisfied since I haven't done this for a very long time. And if any of you didn't know, this here has to go back in the fire, so it will not look like this forever. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, remember to subscribe, like, and hit the notifications bell. And if you have any other suggestions, write them in the comments. Bye bye guys, see ya!